Jai Mata Di everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel R for Rohit Arora Sir Classes. Today I will explain you each and every concepts of the matrix in the command window plus the editor window. Okay, and if you think that my video is very good for you, then press on like button, and if you want more videos on my channel, then subscribe my channel. Now let's start with the video. Now first of all, I will take a matrix 1 space 2 space 3 4, okay, 4 5 6 6 7 8, okay. This is our matrix, or you can write it matrix like that also. 1 comma 2 comma 3 3 comma 4 comma 5 semicolon 5 comma 6 comma 7, okay. This is our matrix. First thing is that if you want to transpose this matrix, transpose means that rows changes into column and column changes into your rows. Okay, correct. Now how to do this? B is equal to A single. Okay. Now you will get the result. This position, this rows changes into your columns, and every result will store in the workspace. Okay, correct. Now after that, if you want to delete the rows and columns, how to do this? Now B bracket 1 comma colon bracket close is equal to bracket. Now in this case, it means that your row deleted 1 comma colon. If you write it 2 comma colon, then it means that second row, okay, second row deleted 2 4 6. If you write 3 comma colon, then 3 5 7 deleted. Okay, if you want to delete a column, how to do this? B, sorry, now in this case matrix is A, correct. Now write it A colon comma 2, okay, is equal to bracket. Now in this case the result is that 1 2 3 5 6 7. Now enter it. Sorry, we can sorry, in this case I am using the colon on the first of all, so it means that 135 and 357, 2 is deleted, correct. Column in column is deleted. Now if I take again this matrix, and in this matrix I will write only 1 comma colon, what is the result? I'm not using the brackets. Now what is the result? It means that only the first row, okay, only the first row will show you the results. It means 1 2 3, okay. Same as it is, if you write column comma 2, okay, it means 2 4 6, the result is 2 4 6, okay. This is the basic concepts of the deleted part. Now next is, if you want to clear the command window history, then use CLC, and if you want to clear the workspace, then clear all, enter it CLC, correct. Now next part is that if you want want in a diagonal positions, okay. Now 1 2 3 4, correct. Then enter it. B is equal to diagonal. Which one you want? A, okay. This is our diagonal positions. Upper matrix, lower matrix is 0. Now if you want to add on a right side or a left side, then what to do? Take a matrix again, sorry, I'm taking okay. Now after that, B is equal to diagonal A comma 1. Okay, A comma 1 means that on a first position, before this diagonal position, the matrix is added. Okay, like that, this one and this one. Okay, because square completed in this case. And if you want to, one more thing is that if you want to do like that, A comma minus 1, it means on a right side. Okay, on the right side every element is 0, like that, this portion. Correct? Now after that, one more command is that reshape. If you have a matrix, this one, okay, and you want in a one column every element, then write it like that. Okay, B is equal to A brackets column. Now this is our result. What I do, I'm showing again. B is equal to A bracket column, and every result is in one column. Okay, again what I will do, CLC clear all. Okay, then again I am using the CLC command. Every command history and workspace is deleted. Now in the next case, if I'm writing a matrix 1 space 2 space 3 3, okay, 4 5 and 6. Okay, this is my matrix. And if you want a position that on a 3 by 2 position, what is the value? Now what to do? A bracket 3 comma 2, and you will get the position. It means that this one, the answer is 5. Okay, same as it is, you can do for any element. Now next case is that if you have a matrix, this one, and you want to add, if I will add a value that on A matrix the position is 4 comma 1 and the value is 2, okay, then the answer is this one. Okay, by the help of this command we can add the element in the matrix. Okay, or you can write it like that also. 4 comma 2 is equal to 4 I will take, then the answer is this one. Okay, next thing is that first of all I will clear this every part. Now next thing is, if you add, I'm taking the matrix 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, and I want to add the elements in the matrix, like B is equal to, I have to add 6 or 7 in this matrix. Now what I will do, C is equal to bracket A semicolon B. Okay, sorry, yes, in this case it is C is equal to this one, A semicolon B. Okay, now 6 7 is added in this part. Correct? And if you write it, okay, this is all about the matrix positions or matrix explanations. And thank you for watching this video. Again, if you think that this video is very good for you, then press on like button. And if you want more videos on my channel, then subscribe my channel. Thank you so much and Jai Mata Di once again. Bye bye.